Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and today we have a quick 5-minute morning stretch so you can come onto your mat or the ground and we'll get started. We're just going to start in extended child's pose. So you can come down with your knees as wide as your yoga mat. You can rest your head on the mat with your arms extended out in front of you. Check in with your body, with every part of your body. Feel your body slowly starting to wake up. Say good morning to your heart. And just greet the day in this extended child's pose. You can inhale to press up into a comfortable seated position on your knees or on the ground. And we'll just start with some neck rotations. So inhale to lift your nose up to the sky. Exhale to rotate your head down to the right and come up to the left. As if you're drawing a circle with your nose. Inhaling to come up and exhaling to drop the chin to the chest. Reverse your circle. Keep breathing. Follow your breath. Waking up the neck and the spine. Come back to center and we'll come into a tabletop position. We're going to move into some cat-cow. So inhale to drop your belly, lift your head up to the ceiling to create a stretch in your front body. Exhale to drop your head down and lift your back up to the ceiling. Inhale to drop your belly down and lift your head up. Keep moving on your breath. You can wiggle your hips from side to side. You can extend your legs to stretch your hamstrings if you like. Take a few more breaths here. And exhale to come down, sitting on your heels. We'll just do some gentle twists, Parivrita Sukhasana. Seated twists. So inhale to lift your arms up above your head. Exhale to drop your right arm down parallel to the ground with your left arm extended out in front of you. Keep both of your hips pointing forward and you can look over your right shoulder. Just waking up the spine. Keeping integrity in the arms as if somebody is pulling your arms apart, sending your energy outward. Inhale to come back to center with your arms. Exhale to drop your left arm down behind you, parallel to the ground. Right arm extended out in front of you. Again, you can look over your left shoulder and just feel what side is more flexible, which side is more tight. Inhale to come to center, and if you're not sitting on your butt already, you can swivel your legs around in front of you for butterfly. So you can grab your toes and wiggle your knees up and down, flapping your butterfly wings. Breathing normally. We're just continuing to wake up the hip flexor, the groin area. Take a few more breaths here. And when you're ready, you can stop the movement and find stillness in cobbler's pose. Straighten your spine and bring your hands to heart center. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.